Am I really close?
I know. We got a little. We packed a bunch of stuff because we're gonna be here for a long time. So let's do this. Where are we going?
We're going camping.
Yeah.
I'm so excited.
Got a lot of crap. So it's getting very close to Memorial Day, which means that camping season is in full effect.
Yeah.
So naturally, we're going camping. Our usual spot, which is to say we've only been once, but it's our favorite spot, was kind of unavailable. They had like, I don't know, what is it, a storm or something?
Yeah, it knocked down like the trails and some of the campsites, so it was closed for, they had to make a renovation or whatever.
Right, which sucks for us, but we're gonna try something new.
You see the deers?
That's bad. Oh, it's so far away.
Oh, there's a deer right there.
There's a deer chilling right under the, oh, he's like, oh.
There's another one over there too.
Cool. Isn't that a deer noise? Alright, let's go get our spot.
What did I say, B9?
I have no idea.
Oh, fuck.
Okay.
Did you get into the food? I think this is it, buddy.
Alright, I think we picked out which spot we want, so we are headed back to the...
Is it a bear?
No.
Oh.
It's not. So we picked out which spot we want, so we're headed back to talk to the ranger, reserve our spot, pay our dues, and then we can officially move in. Let that be a lesson to you. This is how you start campfires.
Don't say that until it works.
It's working. Or is it?
So, for quick lanterns, if you have any mason jars sitting around, just put a piece of printer paper inside of it, and then you can put glow sticks, or you can put a flashlight, and it will make it a lantern.
How'd you sleep?
I'm pretty sure I slept really well until I woke up and couldn't breathe out of my nose and my mouth is really dry.
I slept like a log. I think now we've got some coffee. Since we've already got the fire going, we're gonna go ahead and make some breakfast now, and then we'll check out the area.
We are camping at Peaks of Otter. It's in Bedford, Virginia, in the mountains, Blue Ridge Mountains. We're right next to Abbott Lake, and there's a path around it that goes to the lodge. It goes all the way around the lake, so we're gonna go do that one for now. I can't breathe because my allergies, so this will be fun. So the lodge is pretty cool. They have rooms that have water views of the mountains and the lake.
We just walked about 1.5 miles up the side of the mountain. We were going to a spot that's called Harkening Hill, and we got here. Unfortunately, this spot is probably really only a good view after fall, when all the leaves fall off the trees. So right now, we're sitting on the top of a rock right now. This is a rock. Anyways, here's the view. Honey, what do you think of Harkening Hill?
I'm dying. Hey, we didn't see any bears yet. We passed 2 people, they said they saw a mama bear and 2 cubs. But we haven't seen nothing yet. I'm excited to be able to go downhill all the way back and then sit down and drink some water because I'm dying.
Water.
Yeah. So you can go on this trail if you like really hard mountain trails with no view. Salvation! Just kidding. We still have another 1/4 mile or so to the campground. It's all uphill. We go on one hike and this guy can't even handle it. Alright, what are we cooking?
Hamburgers. We'll do some hamburgers. We've got, what's that green stuff called?
Lettuce?
Asparagus.
Oh! Oh!
And some lettuce, yeah. It's all fucking wood, man. Now we do it.
We're gonna have a big fire, have some drinks, and then go to sleep early. Tomorrow, big hike, maybe fishing, we'll see.
Complication.